What's up, guys? Welcome to Bath and Shower Tile Ideas, episode 13. We'll show you a quick walkthrough of what material we used and layout on this bath and shower remodel. Here we go. Now this is a bath and shower remodel we did a little over 2 years ago. We're in the current process of remodeling their master bathroom. I'll show you that in just a moment, but let's go over what we installed. We liked this build quite a bit, so decided just to come back and film a quick bath and shower tile ideas. We'll start with the floor. Installed here was a 12 by 24 rectified porcelain. Very durable, heavy duty tile. This is rectified. Again, you have 1/16 inch grout lines. Cape Gray was the grout. It's a Carrera marble look-alike. Only difference is very durable compared to marble. It's at a 50% offset pattern. We installed a custom vanity, a Corian top. Let's take a look at the shower. This shower turned out beautiful. We'll start with the tub. We've got a very tall soaking tub here. We installed the field wall tile is a 3 by 12 inch high gloss porcelain subway tile. We staggered at a 50% offset, tiled this entire back wall. As you can see, it turned out extremely flat. We've got a 12 inch by 12 inch niche here, trimmed out with matching quarter round, clean tight miters. All the fixtures in this shower are chrome. We've got the chrome valve trim kit, chrome hardware. One thing I want to mention, I'm not quite sure why they didn't install a door here. This is a standalone panel. A door would have allowed you to open this a bit in order to turn on the water, and if you're soaking in the tub, you can open this to rest your arms on the sides of the tub, give you a little extra room, but nevertheless, the glass turned out great. One panel there, as well as a panel there. You guys had it. Bath and Shower Tile Ideas, episode 13. Let me show you what we're currently working on. We'll upload another video, Bath and Shower Tile Ideas, episode 14, next week. Let's take a quick look. We're in the process of that right now. Here's the master bathroom. We're getting it prepped up today, starting tile tomorrow. Here's the shower. It's gonna be a full seal Schluter shower system. We're gonna tile this entire back wall here with large format. We've got pan tile going in just a minute. We've got a soaking tub right here. We're gonna tile the tub deck with large format. We're gonna have some custom glass installed right here. And the floor is also going to be large format tile. So stay tuned, we'll upload a finished bath and shower tile ideas video on this next week. Thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe down below. If you are subscribed, don't forget to hit that bell notification so you get updates on when we upload a new bath and shower tile ideas.